everyone, welcome to my weekly glam. Today I want to share with you a very easy DIY body scrub for even skin tone. In this recipe, I will use castor oil because castor oil is great for minimizing discoloration, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and melasma. So, if you want to have clear skin, this sugar scrub with castor oil is amazing. Apply and massage the scrub on clean skin for 3 to 5 minutes. Wash it off with warm water, and you can use the scrub 1 or 2 times per week, depending on your skin condition. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe and found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, clicking on the red button below this video, because I share every week my favorite homemade beauty DIYs on this channel. And I want to wish you all the best. Thank you for watching and thank you for staying with me. And I will see you next time.